Welcome to tip number 6 of the 7 sound self-care tips. This one is called Reset. I'm Sharon Carne of Sound Wellness. If you haven't had a chance to listen to the introductory video, please do so. It will help you set the context for this series of videos. The purpose of sound healing or sound therapy is to restore or reset your natural patterns. So what does that mean? What is a natural pattern? Well, your entire being was designed to perform in perfect harmony. Your body, mind, emotions, and spirit know how to be healthy. Every part of your being dances its particular rhythm and tone of health in a natural pattern. In these fast-paced times and busy lives, there are many situations that can cause this natural harmony to fall out of tune. Natural patterns exist everywhere in the universe, from the creation of galaxies to the patterns within an atom and everything in between. Life would not function without natural patterns. Examples of natural patterns at the physical level are your natural pattern of walking. Of course, if you have an injured ankle, you're not following your natural pattern. But notice if you're walking with someone else and you're trying to match their step, notice how it feels. It's quite different. If you're under stress, 3 natural patterns can be out of balance: your heartbeat, your nervous system, the hormonal system, and your breathing rhythm. If you have an illness like cancer, your natural pattern of cell growth is out of balance. Sleep follows a natural pattern. If you have difficulty sleeping, the natural pattern is out of balance, and this has consequences in immune system function, body repair, which happens in deep sleep, and alertness, and more. Natural patterns can also be rhythms, like how often your heart beats when you're at rest. Your brain has rhythms that change whenever you daydream, whenever you close your eyes, or whenever you go to sleep. Your digestive system contracts in a specific rhythm. So does your stomach. Your kidneys process your blood in a 24-hour rhythm. At the microscopic level, your cells have many natural patterns as they go about their days. At the mental level, our brainwave patterns affect our alertness or our ability to relax. And your mental and emotional systems are deeply connected at the physical level. Thoughts with emotional charges, like worry or happiness, are intimately connected to your nervous system. Every one of these thoughts affects every cell in your body through your nervous system and the release of hormones. Becoming aware of our patterns of thought is a fascinating journey of discovery. At the spiritual level, natural patterns are your moments of silence and connection to your inner presence. This exquisite presence is available to you at the beginning and ending of every single breath you take. Your biofield, or the human energy field, is also filled with natural patterns, from the rhythmic pulsations of the meridian systems and rotation of the chakras to the comfortable, peaceful frequency of your soul that lives there. Natural patterns are healthy and coherent when we are in balance and in harmony and feeling whole. And sound is one of your greatest allies in restoring and maintaining natural patterns. Remember, the Tibetan singing bowl works like the restart button on your computer. This is part of one of the ways that sound helps you in restoring natural function. Sound, in other ways, also has the ability to change body chemistry, cellular function, hormonal balance, create mental clarity, manage pain, to calm you or energize you, to create spiritual connection. Oh my, there are so many benefits, and I think you're beginning to discover that. So let's investigate. For this tip, I have a gift for you. if you so choose to explore it. This is a 12.5-minute track that I call Reset. And I invite you to explore listening to this track when you're feeling anxious or ill. Notice how you feel at the end of the track. Here's a little bit of the story behind its creation. Back in November of 2009 in Calgary, where I live, there was a beginning of a flu epidemic, and there was a lack of vaccine, quite a large lack of vaccine. So this was creating a great deal of panic and fear in much of the population in this city. Now, fear destroys your immune system. It's important for us to realize that. And that's the last thing you need in a flu epidemic. So, as my personal response to all of this fear in the air, I created a track called Reset. And we have this track available for I think every year in flu season it goes out with our newsletter list for free for people to download it if they choose that this is a tool that can help them. So my intention in creating this sound is to allow people to reset body, mind, emotions, and spirit to a higher vibration or frequency, and also to provide you with super sound for your nervous system. When this reset happens, your immune system becomes stronger and stress is reduced. You become more relaxed and focused on things that help you get through your day more easily. Reset contains some of the most powerful healing sounds that I know. So you can download this track on our website at soundwellness.com/reset. RESET. So that's soundwellness.com/reset. And I look forward to hearing from you if you decide to use this and how it helps whatever situation you are managing or dealing with. Now, stay tuned for the final tip in this video series. Tip number 7, claim your passion.